you and let go.
Okay, I think you both need to calm down. Then they worked on saying the problem without blaming. Okay, this is good so far. You've calmed down and you can say the problem without blaming. So what's the problem again?
We both want to go on the monkey bars at the same time, but only one person at a time is allowed.
That is a problem. So what do you do next?
Think of solutions?
Yes, thinking of solutions that are safe and respectful. So why don't you give it a try?
Maybe you could take a break from monkey bars and let me have a turn. Or you could go play something else while I keep going.
What are some other solutions?
I guess I can keep waiting in line. Maybe when I get on the monkey bars, I can count to 100 and then give you a turn, even if I haven't fallen off.
You're really thinking.